Title: Unleash your inner racer with the Logitech G923 Racing Wheel and Pedals. Opening: Hey there, speed demons. Are you ready to feel the rush of adrenaline like never before? I'm here to introduce you to a game-changer, the Logitech G923 Racing Wheel and Pedals. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a newcomer to the world of racing games, this beauty is designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Meet the G923. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine holding a genuine leather-wrapped steering wheel that perfectly mimics the feel of the real thing. The Logitech G923 isn't just a piece of hardware, it's an extension of your racing spirit. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's built to perform. Intended users: now, who's this for? Well, if you're tired of using generic controllers that leave you yearning for more precision and realism, then the G923 is your ticket to the big leagues. Whether you're a PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, PC, or Mac user, this versatile racing wheel has got you covered. TRUEFORCE technology. But what sets the Logitech G923 apart? Let me tell you about TRUEFORCE technology. This revolutionary force feedback system delivers up to 1000 Hz of force feedback, providing you with an unparalleled level of immersion and realism. Every bump, every turn, every collision, you'll feel it all in a way that's never been possible before. Benefits and features: with the G923, you're not just playing racing games, you're living them. The wheel offers a 900-degree rotation for precise maneuvering, while the pedals provide a stable and responsive platform for accurate braking and acceleration. And with on-wheel controls, you can easily switch gears without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Use cases: imagine racing through the winding streets of Monaco, feeling every curve and bump as if you were really there. Or maybe you're cruising down the straightaways at Daytona, the wind in your virtual hair as you push your car to its limits. With the Logitech G923, these thrilling experiences are just a game away. How to use: setting up the G923 is a breeze. Simply plug it into your console or PC, and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're ready to race, the steering wheel's built-in LED lighting will pulse in sync with your heart rate, creating an immersive racing atmosphere that'll make you feel like you're part of the action. Comparisons: compared to other racing wheels on the market, the G923 stands head and shoulders above the competition. Its TRUEFORCE technology delivers a level of force feedback that simply can't be matched, while its versatility ensures it's compatible with almost any gaming platform you can think of. Plus, with its sleek design and high-quality materials, the G923 is as much a work of art as it is a piece of hardware. Practical tips: to get the most out of your Logitech G923, take some time to adjust the force feedback settings to suit your preferences. Experiment with different game settings and track layouts to find what works best for you. And don't forget to take breaks. Racing can be intense, but taking a moment to catch your breath will help you stay focused and competitive. Call to action: so there you have it, racers. The Logitech G923 Racing Wheel and Pedals, the ultimate weapon for any serious gamer looking to take their racing experience to new heights. If you're ready to feel the rush of the racetrack like never before, click the link below and make the G923 yours today. Let's get racing.